Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I would like to share about
how to choose the right probiotic for your health needs. Not all probiotics are created equal. With so many options, how do you pick the right one? First, think about your health goals. For digestion, look for strains like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. For immune support, try Saccharomyces boulardii. Also, check the CFU count, colony-forming units, to make sure you're getting enough good bacteria. Different probiotics work for different needs, so choose wisely for the best results. And remember, consistency is key. Take your probiotics daily and feel the benefits of a happier gut and healthier you. Probiotics are a small change with a big impact on your health.
Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more health tips